North Carolina shrimpers are not extracting a luxury. They are producing food for their neighbors under some of the strictest conservation rules in the country. The question is not whether shrimp trawling has an impact. Every form of food production does. The question is whether the people producing that food are acting responsibly, and whether the public benefits from their work. In North Carolina, the answer to both is yes. This message is brought to you by the North Carolina Fisheries Association.